Welcome to my kitchen. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to scramble eggs. You might need to know how to do this, so you get this how-to video. Stay tuned. So I'm going to show you how to crack an egg, just in case you don't know how. I done got about 5 eggs cracked. This is about a 6th egg. I'm just going to crack it right there. Put my finger here. Just go right like that. And you can mix these up. But it really don't matter, they get mixed either way. So I'm going to add some whole milk to this. And I'm just going to eyeball it. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And that's just eyeball it too. We've got a lot of eggs here, so take a little bit of pepper and salt. So after we got the milk and the salt and pepper added to our eggs, let's go ahead and add about a 1/4 stick of butter here. It's a big chunk. You can use oil if you want to with your eggs, but I like butter. Butter's so good. It might not be the healthiest thing for you, but God, it makes food good. So I'm going to set this on medium and let this butter melt. Then I'm going to add my scrambled eggs. My butter's starting to melt, so I'm going to go and just wipe it all over the pan now. It'll melt into the eggs to make it extremely buttery taste with that salt and pepper. You know, our old-fashioned scrambled egg taste. That's what we're going for. Okay, the butter's pretty well melted now. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. And I'm going to take my time because I don't want to add too much. Because I don't know if this skillet will hold it all. And it does. So we're good. Now to scramble this, you basically just keep mixing it while you cook it. And take your time. Don't let the eggs stick. That's bad if your eggs stick. So we're just gonna scramble eggs. We got this on medium. Take your time, and you'll be able to do more with it once this comes to temperature a little bit hotter and these eggs firm up. The eggs are just now starting to firm up. You can feel it on the spatula. Now these would get done faster if you put it on a higher temperature, but you risk a very high chance of burning your eggs, making them stick and stuff. But I'm going to turn it on high because I'm confident in my skills. Now if you see it starting to stick on you, you can always turn the temp back down to medium. That's what I'm going to do now, turn my temp back down. Because I don't want my eggs to burn. And keep them off the side of your skillet too, because they will stick. Don't they look delicious? They're still a little bit too moist, so we're going to wait till they dry out. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off. And I'm just going to give these a few more seconds on this burner. Then I'm going to take the whole thing off and add it to a plate. And like that was talking about, if you let them stick too long, they will burn. We can take that, put that in an old bowl. But before I add this to my plate, I move this off my burner and set it on a burner that is not on. I'm going to toast me some bread. This is optional. I'm just going to do this. I'll show you quickly how to do it, just in case you want to fix you some toasted bread with it. I'm going to go ahead and melt me some butter in my skillet. This is Texas toast. Lay it right on top of the butter and let this thing toast. That butter will soak into this. Makes it extremely yummy and tasty. But you got to be mindful and keep a check on this because this will burn up on you if you ain't careful. Oh yeah, it's just the right amount of toast. You can keep it on longer, but I prefer mine about right here. Turn this temp up. I got it on a kind of a low medium setting when I'm doing this. So we're going to do this again. Toast the other one. So this is the finished product. It looks extremely good. You could let it toast more, use less butter, but I like extremely buttery. You know, as I said, for my eggs, I love butter. So the eggs is done now. We got a toast and everything. We got to try it out. Look at this. Oh, about to drop my fork. I caught it though. The eggs look extremely good. So does the toast. Look at that. Extremely good. So if you hear my pets in the background, they're mad at me. I'm not sharing. You got pets that always want fed. They just got done eating and they want my eggs and they want my toast. Well, it's for me. Y'all had some food. So let's give it a good taste test. and try. Oh, that's so good. The pepper, the right amount. I might add a little bit too much salt. Thought I had just enough. Somewhere, I think I got carried away with the salt. But other than that, it's personal preference anyway. You can always make it how you like it. Let's put the scrambled eggs onto a toast, because I know a lot of people like egg sandwiches. And this is kind of like an egg sandwich. Usually most egg sandwiches are made with sunny side up eggs. Put a buttered toast on there, just like so. Give it a bite. Oh, lost my egg. I lost my egg again. It's a challenge to eat like this, especially one-handed. Here we go. That toast is so good. I could have made it a little bit more toasty with less butter, but it's pretty much the right amount of toasted with the butter flavor. It's got that, you know, hometown restaurant type toasted flavor to it. That makes sense. If you ever ate at a hometown restaurant, they make the food fresh there. Every hometown got one. If you ain't tried it, check your hometown out. I'm sure you find some good little local restaurants. Probably have some decent food too. It is very good. So if you didn't know how to make scrambled eggs, now you know. It's a quick meal. You know, you can make it in just under a few minutes. Turn your stove on and try it out. Salt and pepper. It's simple, easy to fix. A little bit of butter. Yeah, the more you can do to scrambled eggs, you can fix them many ways. This is just a simple, quick, easy recipe. So if you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate you watching another one of my videos. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.